Myself Ravikant, I am the Deputy Director taking care of this Bangalore region of Akash, and today we are celebrating the Toppers Talk Show, which is a big celebration which is awaited from long time after the NEET results. And now we have all the toppers like in the NEET, JEE, KCET, and all toppers are here and we are celebrating it. And we have our deputy, I think the regional director and all we have here today, and we are celebrating it. And we have KCET first ranker Meghan, and then the top 5th ranker all over India, NEET, and all the children are there, and we are felicitating them today in Bangalore. And this is a big day for us and all the Akashians of Bangalore. So we have all the students celebrating, and today is going to be what I can say, day for Akash, and thank you.
Start.
Good morning to all, and myself Dheeraj Kumar Mishra, working as Regional Director in the company taking care of South India business operations and academics of Akash Educational Services Limited. And today is a very great day for us in Bangalore. We all have gathered here to celebrate the remarkable results of Akash in NEET, JEE and the foundation level NTSC examinations. This year NEET results, Akash has created a new history again, where the 3 students from Akash classroom program have secured 720 out of 720 marks in NEET 2021. From Karnataka, we have given the Karnataka state rank 1 in the NEET 2021. Jashan Chawla, he has secured 715 marks and he is our 2-year regular classroom program student. And from Karnataka, Akash has secured KCET rank 1 also. So when I see today is a very, very great day for all Akashians and all the students and the complete fraternity in the Karnataka. We came here in 2013 with one objective of giving the best quality education to the students of Karnataka. And today I can proudly say that Akash has achieved that mission of delivering the best national standard coaching in the cities of the Karnataka. Now Akash is present in Karnataka 9 locations. We are coming up with 2 more locations in Bangalore. Other than Bangalore, we are present in Hubli, Belgaum, Mangalore, and we are opening new centers in Gulbarga, Hassan, Shimoga, Dharwad and Davangere. Mysore already we have 2 centers. Udupi we are coming up this year. So if you see that Akash Institute has tried its best that the student of Karnataka, they are not struggling for the quality education. Earlier they were running here and there for major cities and they were staying in hostels. There were various problems, so we identified that, and Akash again stands with its main objective of student first. With that objective, reach to each nook and corner of Karnataka now, and I can assure to the students of the complete Karnataka, now the quality education will be delivered at your doorstep. And if your dream is of becoming doctor or engineer, I think I can say proudly that Akash is the best platform for you in your state of Karnataka. Thank you so much for coming and celebrating Bangalore with us in various streams together. And our
Good morning everyone. My name is Jashan Chawla. I am a student at Akash Institute Bangalore branch, and I have been studying for 2 years for NEET preparation. My achievement is that I have got All India rank 5 in NEET UG 2021. I have also qualified KVY with All India rank 171, and I have also got a good percentile in JEE Mains as well. So, in Akash began in my 11th standard, and I had enrolled for this 2 years course. It was my dream to become a doctor, so I wanted to work for it in the best way, and Akash Institute has helped me to achieve this goal, and I am looking forward that I will do like this in my future studies also. So there will be a lot of good material provided at Akash, which are very comprehensive and very detailed about the subjects and the topics. It is very easy to understand them, and there are a lot of questions that we got to practice with them. I was very fortunate to have very good teachers who helped me through my doubts, and I am very grateful to them as well. At Akash is very comprehensive and very good for practicing for the examination. In the point of view of NEET, they have very good level of questions in the test at different levels. Like we have fortnightly tests, weekly tests, term test, and all India Akash test series, which are the main tests which prepare us for this examination. And till the last minute, we were in constant touch with our faculty. Even during the pandemic, when everything was in lockdown, Akash Institute started the online classes very fast, and it did not let us go down in our studies. They also kept us motivated all the time by holding a lot of sessions and speeches, which we got to hear from great people. And I'm very grateful to Akash Institute for helping me along.